Today's hybrid workplace demands high-quality audio and video, especially in meeting spaces. That's why Logitech developed an entire ecosystem of solutions to bring best-in-class video conferencing to any room. But when teams need to visually brainstorm or communicate an idea, nothing beats a whiteboard you know and love. And when remote participants can't view whiteboarding sessions in real time, they're automatically less engaged or left out of the conversation. That's why we created a solution that levels the playing field for distributed teams. Meet Logitech Scribe, an AI-powered camera that brings a whiteboard into video meetings with incredible clarity.
When designing Scribe, we wanted to create a solution where you can use the whiteboards and markers you already have. There's no learning curve. Just press the purple share button or tap the meeting room controller and start writing. Scribe's one tap to share experience is enabled with Microsoft Teams Rooms and Zoom Rooms, with more services to come. You can also use it as a secondary USB camera with most video conferencing applications. This gives you the flexibility to use Scribe in office, educational settings, or even at home. One of my favorite features is presenter removal. Scribe uses artificial intelligence to make the presenter translucent, so remote users can easily see the whiteboard content with nothing in the way. Now every participant, in-room or remote, gets a clear view of the board. Scribe's ultra-wide-angle lens captures whiteboards of up to 6 by 4 feet or 2 meters by 1.2 meters. It even enhances the color of markers, so everything you draw and write appears bright and vivid.
Scribe is one of the most elegant products we've ever designed. The camera mounts neatly above your whiteboard, blending right into the room. And the wireless share button is placed within reach for the most natural user experience. We've also thought through the entire setup process so it's easy to install in any room. Scribe comes with everything you need to quickly get it up and running. There's even a level built into the base to help you get it perfectly aligned. And thanks to innovative cable channels, you can route the cable up the ceiling, down the wall, or through the wall for a super clean look.
Logitech brings you enterprise-grade audio and video solutions so everyone in a hybrid workplace is seen and heard. Now the whiteboard joins the party with Scribe, a vital addition to meeting rooms, classrooms, or any room with a whiteboard. It's simple to use, beautifully designed, and packed with powerful AI, so everybody gets the best seat at the table, no matter where they are. Get everyone on board with Logitech Scribe.